it's gonna be a beautiful sunset. Disclaimer, I don't want anyone to copy anything what I do in this video. I've been doing this for more than 10 years already, since I was a little kid. And yeah, I'm gonna go climb the bridge, enjoying the sunset, cook some ramen noodles. It's gonna be good. I'll come up to this bridge more than 100 times for sure, like more than 100 times for sure. Damn, amazing. Yeah, once again, do not copy anything what I do in this video. I've been doing this for more than 10 years already, and I'm professional, so don't copy anything. This is not for the views or entertainment. It's just me trying to enjoy my life, cooking on top of the bridge and enjoying the sunset. Look at this bridge. By the way guys, this is not a trespassing or anything like that. This is public. Like around this time, people always come climb up here and jump off into the river. Anyway, I'm gonna start making ramen noodles. It's gonna be yum, hopefully. I'm really bad at cooking too, so. This is all my stuff for cooking. The wind is a little bit too strong. I don't know if I can light this up. Maybe turn this way. Let me try that. Jeez, the wind is so strong. Come on, stop a little bit. That was so amazing. Just gotta be careful. Yeah, I'm just cooking up here. I'm cooking a noodle ramens. Oh, yeah, I'm good. I came up to this bridge like more than 100 times already. I'm good. Huh? Okay, thank you. Yeah. That woman is being so nice. She come here and she told me that, you know, she asked me if I'm okay. I said I'm okay. Let's go. I'm gonna wait about a couple more minutes after it boils. Then I'm gonna put 2 eggs in it. Yeah! Last time there's 2 cops showed up because I think people called the cops. They thought I'm gonna, you know, jump in the river and swim or something like that. But no, yeah, I'm just always up here just chilling, enjoying the sunset. I usually only come during the evening when the sun is about to set, because that's where like most, you know, fun moments. Not gonna lie to you, I am a parkour athlete. Even though if I jump from there, I'm not gonna die. I know that I might break some bones or I might hurt my lower back and stuff, but I think I'll be fine because it's only like probably like 20 feet, 25 feet, something right there. And if I jump to the water, it's gonna be so fun. It's just so cold right now. Yeah. We are making progress. It's pretty much is already cooked, but the egg is not fully cooked yet, so I'm gonna have to wait. Look at it, you can still see a big yellow bubble. I'm gonna wait about 3 more minutes and then I should be good. Tastes so good. Come on, cloud, don't cover the sun. Leave the sun alone. People down there be like, what the fuck is this guy doing up there with the pan? Oh my goodness, this is so yummy. I'm just living up here. Damn, I'm kind of already full. And at the same time, it's already finished. I think I'm done. I think I'm gonna start packing now. And after that, I'm just gonna chill up here for a few more minutes, enjoy the sunset, and start heading back down. It's time to feed the fish. I think it's all set. Pocket, my phone, my key. Damn, the sunset is so beautiful. By the way, guys, this is my hometown, Boise, Idaho. That's where I live for like almost 12 years. I think next week will be 12 years in Boise. It's getting boring. I need to move out. As soon as I move out, and as soon as this channel got monetized, I'm gonna start traveling full time. Go live in different city, different states, and different country, wherever. I just don't want to be in the same place for a very long time. I just want to travel the world and enjoy my 20s, you know? Because right now I'm 21. I'm still young. I still have a lot of time. I don't like being stay at home. I just like to go out, explore, meet new people, try new things.